used Durco around the impulse nipple and installed a new impulse line, new OEM, and going into the tank. Attempting to. So we got the wiring harness and impulse lines to contend with. Just wrestle around here with it till we get it through. The wiring harness, you can go ahead and slip through the hole. It's got a slot in it, but if you remove the wiring harness together, turn the spay up sideways, it'll slip right through. So our wiring harness is in. There is a rubber grommet that'll fit in there. You have to fit that in there. We've got to get our impulse line started in. Good, thanks. Take his hat off. That won't be in the camera view. We've got our impulse line started. Okay. Wiring harness is started. Got to get our intake on its way. And I still have it plugged with a piece of clean sock. We want to keep as much dirt out of there as possible. Okay, so we'll get you a view in there. So our intake is started, the impulse is started, and our wiring harness is right here. So everything's where it needs to be. And kind of work it all in there together.